A quick tutorial how to install a door handle, doorknob. First we'll use this piece right here. Goes right in. Rule of thumb is that you want it sliding in. You see that motion? Not the opposite way. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it and let's go ahead and install the plate. Alright, let's put the plate on. There we go. Alright, here's the handle. Both handle depends on where you want the handle to be. Grip for the palm. This gives it a better grip to pull down, and you can actually use a pin to unlock if you really need to. This is one for closets or child-proof lock, where if it gets locked on the inside you can still unlock it without a key. To install it, push this in. You see that mechanism? Slide it in. Done. Go to the opposite side. Slide this in. There we go. 2 screws that come with it. Alright, make sure the screws are aligned to the bolt on the other side. And we just gotta tighten it. We are done. Let's see. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. See you guys next time.